हेलो गाइस, अनदर वीडियो टुडे। और एक वीडियो लेके आ रहा हूँ आपके सामने, स्मॉल टॉयज बट विथ अ यूनिक कैरेक्टर। सो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, आई विल शो यू व्हाट आई वांट टू शो। ओके, सो दिस इज अ हॉट व्हील्स कार। ओके, अनदर हॉट व्हील्स कार। दो हॉट व्हील्स कार्स हैं इसमें। आई हैव बॉट देम सेपरेटली, बोथ ऑफ देम सेपरेटली। ओके, these both are hot wheels designs. One is a coupe, proper sports car coupe, and the other one is a pickup, sports pickup. So you can see yellow one, made in Thailand. Their brand name is Bedlam. Okay, and the second one, it's stock twister, if you see. So both are original hot wheels designs. Okay, nice outlaw type दिखते हैं दोनों पिकअप्स, लाइक नीड फॉर स्पीड या FNF फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस में होते हैं या आउटलॉ गेम्स में होते हैं। यूनिक थिंग इज दैट these particular two models or these particular two pieces are the color shifter ones. Okay, these shift color when you treat them with different temperatures of water. So time waste नहीं करेंगे, I'll show you how it works. Okay, in both of these cars. Okay, for this I'll need water. So guys, we have got some water over here. Okay, two bowls. One bowl is a normal one. Okay, the other bowl, this one, I'll put some ice in it. Okay, to reduce the temperature. Okay, we need chilled water. We'll see how this works with this toys, color shifters. So अभी मैं I'm taking this bed lamp, अभी इसको ले रहा हूँ मैं, and I'm putting this over here. So you can see now how the color is changing. Can you see guys? See guys how the color is changing. So guys, you can see almost the color has changed. Okay, main accents have changed to red. Okay, I'll put this again over here and you will see how it changes again. Okay, meantime I'm taking another one. Okay, this one. Okay, you can see the magic. Okay, it has changed to orange from off white, completely changed from orange to off white. So this is what it is basically. This is called the color shifter. Okay, this water I think needs to be more of hot water. That's why it is not changed back to the normal one, but it will change. So guys, you see the colors have changed now due to cold water. Now I'm putting it in some hot water and now you see the magic. Bang, colors have changed back to original. Great concept from Hot Wheels, very enjoyable by kids. See this, see the color changing, see the color changing. Okay, once again we will do the same thing. We'll go back to the ice. Okay, we'll dip like this. I have dipped half of it and the half color has changed to red from yellow. Okay, I'm putting it over here, and now the off-white one, I'm putting it inside. See guys, see how it has changed to orange. Exactly half of it has changed to orange. Kids love this. Okay, एक ही प्रॉब्लम है इसमें, बच्चों को खेलते खेलते कोल्ड हो सकता है, सर्दी हो सकती है. सो यू गाइज नीड टू बी केयरफुल टू लेट योर किड्स प्ले विद दिस फॉर अ लिमिटेड टाइम ओनली. आप थोड़े टाइम के लिए ही बच्चों को खेलने दें इसके साथ, बिकॉज ठंडा पानी है, गर्म पानी है, बोथ ऑफ देम ल्यूक वार्म वाटर दिस इज, एंड दिस इज आइस कोल्ड वाटर. तो खेलते खेलते बच्चों को सर्दी जुकाम हो सकता है. सो दैट वी नीड टू कीप इन चेक, अदरवाइज इट्स अ वेरी एंजॉयबल थिंग. See, you can see properly how the color, half of it has changed, half of it has remained the original. So guys, this is what I wanted to share. You guys also, if you like this, please buy this. Single car आती है normally. Single car is available around $300 or something. I don't remember. I got this separately from Flipkart. Both from Flipkart. Both of them are unique. One is pickup, one is coupe, by design also and by color also. One turns from off-white to orange, the other one turns from yellow to red. Please, if you like this concept, please buy these Hot Wheels cars. These are very good, tough as always from the Hot Wheels brand, plus this unique characteristic of being able to change the color when treated with different temperatures of water. So guys, that's what I wanted to show. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel please. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.